All right, so we're looking at gold. My name is James Smith from GANanalysis.net. You can register to the site, get a free report on gold. And without further ado, let's get into it. From this high, August 6th, 2020, down to March 4th, 2021 is 143 days, nearly 144. One more day would be the 5th, would be 144 trading days. Now it was off by a day. It would be actual low was, it looks like the low was the 6th or the 8th. So that would be 145 trading days. Close enough. Now, if you go from there, 144, you get another low. And presumably, because we sold off into it, this will be a low. Now, it is true on occasion that when, you get a cycle due, it doesn't always turn the opposite direction. Sometimes it just accelerates down. That is entirely possible, but I have other charts I can show you, which, like I say, if you register, you'll get a free report on gold. There's a lot more to say here than what I'm showing you in this one chart. But 144 trading day cycle is an important cycle. It is calling for a turn. I'm not telling you to buy or sell gold. I'm explaining to you how the GAN cycles work. Normally, if you sell off into a cycle, you get a rally. You sell off into a cycle, you get a rally. And we would assume that you should rally from here, but you can't just base your trading strategy on one chart. So it is important to see all the other charts. I have a lot of charts on gold, more charts than you'll ever want to see, but they're there if you decide you want to see them. And the way I take my view on GAN is that he had a million different tools that he'd made use of, and I know why he did it, because the more confirmation you get using different tools, the stronger your view is one way or the other. So it's important to use all the tools that GAN had on offer, not just one or two of them. And that's what we try to do at GANanalysis.net. Now, if you become a subscriber, you'll see what I'm talking about. You'll get plenty of charts on gold, silver, platinum, S&P, bonds, stocks, forex, etc., crypto. We have something for everybody. So if gold is not your market, you will find the analysis will be there for the stuff that you want to look at. But today I just want to show you gold because this 144 trading day cycle seems to be working pretty well. If this works here, it would be quite amazing. So let me just get this here. Okay, so if it works again, you can see the circles show you exactly where 144 trading day count came due. It's not to say that it's going to work every time. It's not even to say that it has to go up. But you get confirmation after the fact. You can't just trade on cycles. You have to wait and see that it's turning in the direction that you expect. Once it closes above certain threshold levels, then you have confirmation that the cycle is working the way you expected. So the way GAN described it, time and price. You don't trade just on cycles. You need confirmation that the cycle is calling for a change in trend as you expected. So that's what you'll see in that free report if you register. You will see the levels. You will see what needs to be done in order to trigger a rally. So by all means, register to the website, get that free report. And if you're interested in other markets, become a client. And you say to me, oh, I want you to cover this particular stock. Well, I'll do it for you. I mean, once you're a client, you can ask for stuff. So the point here today, though, is to emphasize that we have a cluster of cycles calling for a change in trend, not just the 144. Also note here 180 days from this low here into higher low. 432 is just 3 times 144. So from this high, that's 432. And down here we have 60. From this low, 60. These are all Gann cycles. So 144, 180, 432, 60, 120. There are all kinds of Gann cycles, and when they cluster, you have a better chance that you're calling an important turn. So that's all I want to emphasize today, is that you get a cluster, you sold off into it. In theory, it should rally. But that's just telling you what the Gann theory is. Doesn't work every time. Obviously, if it did, I would be owning my own little island and sipping funny little drinks with umbrellas sticking out of it. I wouldn't be working right now. But I do say that it works more often than not, and it seems to be calling something big in gold right now. I'm really excited to show you all the other charts on gold. I think you'll find it interesting, and see what you think. Just try it out. I mean, there's no cost to register. Try it out. Take a look at the charts. If you're new to Gann, keep in mind that we will provide videos with every report. Almost every report, you get a video that explains the charts. We send you the charts by PDF. We give you a textual report and a video with each report to show you, to explain step by step what we're looking at on the charts. So you're not just left to your own devices to try to figure it out. Because I understand if Gann is something that you've never seen before, it's going to be a little crazy the first few times you look at it. But that's why we provide those videos. So think about it, and if you see gold start to move up, don't sit on your hands. Get that free report, find out what's going on, and hey, think about subscribing for a month. It's not expensive. If you go to the website, www.gannanalysis.net, you'll see the upper right-hand corner, there's a shop button. You hit that, you can pay by credit card or PayPal. Do it for 1 month or 3 months. It's not going to cost you a lot of money. And you'll find, I think you'll be surprised at the value you get for your money. So good luck in your trading. Hope this has been helpful. Keep an eye on gold.